Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, I'm already here in Bahrain International Airport. So, we are waiting now for the boarding of our flight going to Manila, Philippines. So, my flight will be 8:20 p.m. here in Bahrain. So, I'm already inside of the terminal, my brother and sister. So this is the terminal, my brother and sister. So because of the delay of the flight, my brother and sister, so that's why we are delayed for a couple of hours. So at least the airline company gave us accommodation and free food and transportation. So it's also it's very good to me. So no need to spend more. So I will update you, my brother and sister, when I already reach in the Philippines. So see you, please. My brother and sister, we're boarding now on the plane. So I will update you when I already reach the Philippines. See you. My brother and sister, we just drop off to Manila, Philippines. So I'm already here in terminal here in Manila. So I think the flight is more or less 8 hours from Bahrain. So I will update you, my brother and sister, when I already reach the gate. See you. Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, I'm already here in the Philippines. So I just arrived. So this is the airport, my brother and sister, guide me. So from Bahrain to Manila is around more or less 8 hours. So we have a very good flight. So after 12 months, I already again take my vacation. So I will update you, my brother and sister, what I will do here in Philippines. Maybe we will do some traveling using my motorcycle. So I hope you enjoy the video, my brother and sister. See you. Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, I'm already here in the Philippines. So today is March 17, 2024, Sunday. So first destination, my brother and sister, because I'm on vacation. So I go to the one of the nearest province in my home. So the province is here in Batangas. One of the famous provinces here in the Philippines. So I just ride my motorcycle, my brother and sister. I have this Max 155. I use it only when I'm traveling here. So it's more convenient. Also, because in Manila there's a lot of congestion traffic, but I use this motorcycle. So I hope you enjoy the video, my brother and sister. So let's go. I will show you the place. So today, my brother and sister, is March 17, 2024. It's Sunday. So there's a lot of tourists here in this Imelda Garden. It's called the Imelda Garden. It's one of the famous tourist destination here in the Batangas province here in the Philippines. So it's the setup here, my brothers and sisters, garden. There's a lot of nice view, and you can take a nice photo. So the access is only it's around 10 dirham, my brothers and sisters. We pay only 10 dirham to make the entrance. So this is the place. Very nice place. So It's already 10 in the morning here, my brother and sister. So we will tour the place, quick tour. So it's very nice location, very nice tourist attraction here in the Philippines. Because you will see the view of the lake. It's a huge lake here in the province of the Batangas. So let's go. So my brother and sister, from my home in Manila to here, I just travel around 2 to 3 hours with my motorcycle. So it's near to my home, my brother and sister. Very nice view. So when I'm on vacation, my brother and sister, I try to go to the other places, just to breathe clean air. Because this one we have near to the mountains. See the mountains there. So it's very nice view. Then today is Sunday. There's a lot of tourists. Let's go. So when I'm on vacation, my brother and sister, I'm still training at least 3 to 4 times in one week. So it's gonna be enough. It's more than enough, my brother and sister, to pump all of my body parts. There's a lot of tourists now here. Then later, my brother and sister, I will show you what is the specialty food here in this province. They have very nice food here. That's why when I'm traveling, my brother and sister, or I'm on vacation, I'm still using this pot burner. So even I eat my calories, so it will not affect the physique. So this is the view, the band system, the nice view. So I start my vacation, my band sister, is March 11. So I'm almost 1 week now here in the Philippines. Today, my brother and sister, it's Sunday, so there's a lot of tourists from different parts of the country. Very nice view. So also when I'm doing vlogging, my brother and sister, this also it's like a cardio. You will burn more calories. regarding the training, my brother and sister in the gym, I will show you where I am training when I'm on vacation. So I train different gym here in the Philippines. So depends to the body parts. So this is one of the view, my brother and sister. My brother and sister, now it's already March here in the Philippines, so the weather now it's around 35 to 38 degrees, so I use sunblock. So the good thing, it's not much hot today, it's calm. So we are almost halfway, my brother and sister. You see? Very nice. This lake is one of the famous lake here in the Philippines. So my brother and sister, we are almost finished the tour here in Imelda's Garden here in Cuenca, Batangas, one of the provinces here in the Philippines, near to my house. So it's almost 10:50 now here in the Philippines. So that's it, my brother and sister. I hope you enjoyed the video. So regarding the food later, I will update you what lunch we will eat later. So that's it, my brother and sister. I hope you enjoy the video. My brother and sister, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, we just finished the tour in Imelda's Garden here in Batangas, one of the provinces here in the Philippines. So it's almost 11 a.m. now here in the Philippines. So we are hungry now. So we will eat one of the famous restaurant here in this province. It's called G2B. They have a very good food here. So we will check, my brother and sister, which food we will eat for lunch. So my brother and sister, I just used my motorcycle, this NMAX 155. I use this motorcycle because it's more convenient for me, because in my home in Manila, in the capital of the Philippines, it's too much traffic there. So that's why it's more convenient when I'm using motorcycle. So I will update you, my brother and sister, which food we will eat for lunch. See you. My brother and sister, I already ordered the lunch for today, March 17, 2024. It's Sunday. So we just finished the tour there in Imelda's Gardens, one of the famous tourist attraction here in Batangas, one of the provinces here in the Philippines. So It's 11 a.m. now here in the Philippines, so we are hungry now. So my brother and sister, I ordered this 2 cup of rice, this fried garlic rice, then this beef, then we have egg, so source of protein. This carbs is around maybe around 100 to 150 grams of carbs. Then the protein maybe around 30 to 40 grams. So it's good enough. Then we have this famous soup here in Batangas. It's lomi. It's a very nice soup. This is one of the famous this soup, my brother and sister. It's called lomi here in Batangas, one of the provinces here in the Philippines. It's very nice. It's very tasty. So that's it, my brother and sister, with glimpse of lunch today, March 17, 2024. It's Sunday. So let's it, my brother and sister. So before I go, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you'll be updated to my uploaded video to my YouTube channel. And also you can like and share my video, my brother and sister. So have a good day and have a good night, my brother and sister. Keep on training. Peace.